Good morning, students. Now, in this video, you will learn how you can create the setup file in VB.NET. Now, start first, open the Visual Studio. Then create a new project. Select Visual Windows Forms F. Windows Form Web.NET Framework here, Visual Basics. Next, write on the setup, setup demo, and then click create. Now, can place any control here. बटन कंट्रोल्स हमने यहाँ पे सिंपली ऐड कर दिया हमने यहाँ पे और जस्ट मैसेज बॉक्स दिस इज डेमो सेटअप and you can add here for this you just need to install the extension manage extension tools. I have already installed the you can search here the install, right? I have already installed the Microsoft Visual Studio installer project. First select and install. And it will take only few minutes to install a small file, small the size it is. So now once you install this, simply click on the first click on the solution explorer here. Right click and click on the add new project. So once you install the extension, thereafter just need to close the application and then open again. अब यहाँ पे सर्च करेंगे अगर आपने इंस्टॉल है तो आप यू विल एबल टू व्यू द setup project. This option will be visible when you install the extension. अब इसे क्लिक करना है यहाँ से और हमने यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट क्लिक करेंगे. क्लिक ऑन द नेक्स्ट. अब you can write down the setup project demo setup, write down the demo setup. uh, Demo setup, right? Yeah, this directory is not net, just you backup net. This directory, the okay, net. Fine. Now simply right click and add option here, add new project, setup file, setup, setup search here the setup, click on the setup, next demo setup, setup file, and then click on the create. When you create, click on the create, you will get this application folder, user desktop, and first click on this application folder and right click here the add button, then select the project output. Yes, this is the only one file here, single file. So just click on the primary output and click on the OK. Right. Similarly, you can also create the user desktop, create a shortcut, add project output, primary setup, primary output. You will get the shortcut, the desktop. Next one is the user program menu, right click. Similarly, you can project output and then click on the OK. So simply we have added application folder, user desktop, and user program. Now you can also add the icons of the icons so that you can just write down here the add file. You can icon of the file, you can download it from the internet of the ICO file, and simply you can so you just need to search the ICO file or and this way you can add the here also you can add project output, and this way add the file that is the here, and similar file we can add. We can also change this one, the shortcut setup, write down the setup demo, right? And thereafter at the end, just click here on the demo and click on the view. It will take a few seconds. Thereafter, the exe file will be ready to install in your desktop. We'll start it and simply we'll start it, and this way you're now able to create the setup demo.exe executable file, application file, and here you can find out this open folder in the file explorer. Succeeded, will to succeeded. Now we can check. So here you can just right click on the folder, click on the open folder in the file explorer, and here the debug folder, go to debug, then setup.exe. Now click on the setup.exe, click on the next. You can get this one in the just me next, and next, click hardly will installation complete, and click on the close button. So now you can simply be able to set up demo.exe, right? And click on the setup demo. Now you can see this is the simply how we can create the setup file when you just want to complete your project. Once you complete your project and you just want to install in the client machine, simply you can create the exe executable file, the application file, and this way you can, this is a simple demo. I hope it is clear how can we set up a executable file, create a executable file in VB.NET. Thanks for watching.